Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide table borders in Microsoft Word while keeping all your text perfectly aligned. This is especially useful when creating forms, invoices, professional documents, labels, or layouts where you want the table structure to organize your content without showing visible borders. Let's dive in. So first of all, select the table, click here, then go to borders and choose no borders. As you can see, second method, always select the table, go to table design, borders, then no borders. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. See you in the next one.